I've never seen that.
What's this? I seem to have over 100 subscribers. I think it's time for a 100 subscriber special. But what to do? I know. It's too early for this skit. But I can do a review. Alright, let's go for MaxPeedingRods.
In my 2 times of doing shocks, I've never seen that. Never ever seen that. So, that was interesting. Well, my cap is disgusting. The shock tower seems to be in good shape. Just spray that out. It may look kind of rusty, but that's not. That's like nothing. So this is called Muffler weld, and it doesn't work for shit. Follow the directions. Everything was clean as could be, but this product does not work for shit. As you can see, it just wipes right off.
Do you need the sandpaper?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. It was pretty ridiculous. I had to set up a bunch of shit.
Most of this shit's 2 people shit.
You're doing it for 1 person.
No wonder it takes you so long.
Yeah. People are like, why do things sit in your driveway for so long? Oh, because everything takes 4 times as long when you don't have another pair of hands. Here they are, buried under this. You know what you're gonna do.
I like that they're blue.
They look cool.
I need one of the. Oh, I got a Bluetooth in my pocket.
Unplug that.
Yeah, that. So we can hear. Is it bubbling?
Double trouble.
Okay. Big hole, Mike.
Okay, let's get into this review. I'll be grading 4 key factors: performance, durability, value, and fun factor. Performance. Performance receives a surprising 6 out of 10. They provide a comfortable ride on the pavement and take bumps, to a point. You can't push them and instill confidence. You can't feel every tiny pebble on the road, but you don't always need to. Sometimes Jesus needs to take the wheel, and you can just go with the flow. Just take it, and these coilovers will do.
We'll make a rally driver out of him yet.
Durability. Durability left something to be desired under first inspection, but then we were left shocked. All of our durability tests were passed with flying colors. Well, kind of. The frame rails were kissed on a few high-speed runs. But for coilovers at this price range, let's face it, this is the only coilover in this price range. How could a $300 coilover survive multiple jumps at 70 miles an hour? It just doesn't make sense, especially considering how the last set crumbled. So, this makes it a little difficult to give a number to these coilovers at this time. Let's say 7 out of 10, but we'll see how far they really go. I've read online that most of them only make it a few months to a year before failing or clunking. Value. Now this is an easy one. 9 out of 10. I love that these are the go-to for this price range. Obviously, they do the job for many folks. They've supplied us with 3 weekends of brutal fun so far. And that's a lot to ask for the cheapest coilovers in the world. I wish I could confidently say that these would last 3 years on the street build, but I just can't make that assertion. Fun factor. It's 10 out of 10. While these obviously aren't performance coilovers, you can pull some performance stunts. The bouncing, bottoming out, and recoils are just part of the experience. Just keep an eye on those low-hanging parts. You can't hit the jumps as hard as you can on a set of Kings or MCAs, but you can practice the basics and get some good habits down without worrying about the financial burden the pro stuff comes with. The added risk of disintegration at high speed adds to the adrenaline rush and makes for quite the driving experience. So there you have it. If you want to rally while also fearing for your life, grab some MaxPeedingRods. You won't find a cheaper option out there. Remember guys, have fun and stay safe.